Ocean Magic Inc. presents Kerplop, filmed by Jet and Ariana.
Mom!
Yes, Henry?
Can I come inside yet, Mom?
No, I have to work. Keep playing with Will.
Okay. Fine.
Did you hear a splash?
Yeah, let's follow it. Let's go for a swim.
Okay. Race you to the bottom.
You're on.
Ah! Dragon!
Where?
There!
You're a dragon.
No, you're a dragon.
Wait,
what?
No, the lake's gone.
Hi, what are your names?
I'm Henry, and this is my friend Will.
Nice to meet you. I'm Blue Splash. My dad's the Grand High Dragon.
Can you refill the lake?
Sure. No!
We can't get back.
Sorry, guys. I forgot that fire dragons can't touch water. My dad can help.
Okay, where do we find him?
Oh, I can just call him Dad!
What do you need, dear?
These guys have to get back to their dimension.
How did...
You came from the dimension lake.
Let's get to business.
Oh, right. See you guys.
Bye.
We're home!
Yay! Maybe we can go back tomorrow.
Story, Jet and Ariana. Special thanks, C and Maddie. Cast, Henry, Jet, Will, Ariana.
Grand
Grand
High Dragon, Jet.
Blue Splash, Ariana.